Hi guys, Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today we're going to review a product, and which is the Infallible 24-hour matte cover. So this one. And this cost 550 pesos. Bili ko siya sa Watsons, and then I got the discounted price because less 200 siya. It's still on sale. It's 350 pesos. 35 ml, and then I got the shade of 105.5 gold sand. I like the packaging. Tingnan nyo guys. Katsyub siya, which is super easy to use. So by the way guys, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ang gagamitin natin today is yung Mine Wonder Makeup Blender. So I also got this from Watsons. It's 199 pesos. Maglagay tayo ng small dots. How I wish I could use flat kabuki brush in comparison, but so as you can see guys, sige, close up ko kayo. Dami kong blemishes guys. Tingnan natin. Ang the healing process na siya guys. Tingnan natin. Kahit hindi na siya hindi ko siya blend ng beauty sponge. Pero baba, ganyan natin. Bongga. Tingnan natin kung tatagal ba siya. Dami ko yatang nalagay. Which is good. Ang sa dito naman guys, maganda siya kasi pwede lang i-blend using your hands. Hindi siya nagpa-patch. Oh, lagyan ko muna yung half ng face natin ha. Oy, in fairness, ganda ng coverage. Natural yung ang dating niya at a little bit sheer because of the applicator. Pero I bet na talaga to, pack na pack if ever kabuki brush yung ginamit natin or flat kabuki brush. First coat. Ganyan siya guys. Meron pa, konti lang yung nagamit ko. Tapos ito na yung coverage niya. Na-minimize niya yung mga appearance ng mga dark spots. At the same time, nasa-smoothen niya. Tapos diretso agad siyang matte. For me, hindi na siguro tayo magsiset ng powder. But, hindi siya sobrang, bango. Sato lang yung niya. Ang ganda guys. Siguro, dito parang puting-puti. Pero sa natural ko tingnan. Kasi yellow undertone siya. Parang skin ko lang. So, tapusin ko muna tong dito sa kabila. Guys, I'm super excited talaga nito kasi this is super hype kasi sabi nila nakakaano talaga ng mga blemishes. Nakaka-cover, total matte cover yung claim nila eh. And then maraming nag-claim or nagre-review sa YouTube na maganda talaga to. Kaya I grabbed this opportunity nung nakita ko sa Watson na it's on sale, kaloka, less 200. So, bongga na siya, diba? Yung flat kabuki brush ko kasi hindi ko siya magamit kasi hindi ko pa siya nalabhan. Ganda ng coverage niya guys, in fairness. Oh, meron pa talagang natira. Ito pa yung pump na ginamit ko kanina. Gusto ko talaga tong matry kasi lalabas ako for the whole day. And alam nyo na guys, na if lalabas ako, matitest talaga natin. For reference, my skin tone is my skin is super oily. If nagpa-follow kayo sa mga foundation review ko, it's super oily. Yan. Yan yung first coat. Yung mga tira-tira ilagay natin sa ating leeg. Oh, total cover. Total cover indeed. Super fresh lang ako at saka parang skin yung dating. Hindi siya, hindi siya parang plakado. But then if you're going to use flat kabuki brush, if you're going to go out sa mga nighttime, talagang maganda yung flat kabuki brush kasi plakak na plakak yung foundation nyo. Ayan na guys, ito yung coating niya. Magsiset tayo ng powder na konti. This foundation, ititest natin. As you can see, konti lang yung nilagay ko. Hindi na ako magre-retouch. Tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari tingnan natin, ipaabot na tayo ng 24 hours. It's already 8 AM. Yan. Ito yung finish and I'll be back. Tapusin ko muna yung mga mga anik-anik ko, the kilay ko, and I'll be back. So, I will be going out kasi last day ng Cebu Home Builder sale ngayon. And bibili ako ng mga tiles. So, yan lang guys. Simple na simple. Nagkilay lang ako at naglagay ng eyeliner. By the way, ang ginamit ko sa kilay is yung Beauty Glazed. Sa eyeliner ko is yung Says Lady. And for my, dito is yung Colorette na Zola. And then for my lipstick is the NARS Rose Cliff Satin. Guys, pasensya na sa hair ko. I'm going to let it dry naturally. And then, ito na yung face ko so far. ang nagustuhan ko talaga dito is parang natural skin ko talaga siya. Though, alam naman natin na hindi talaga siya natural kasi nga, nag-foundation tayo. Pero hindi klarado na nag-foundation, para lang natural skin tone. Which, ang gusto ko dito is, ano ko talaga siya, ka-shade ko siya. And para to sa mga morena, merong yellow undertone. And by the way guys, meron pala siyang SPF 16. So sinasabi dito na long wear matte foundation, high coverage, and natural result. Indeed, super natural yung result niya. So sinasabi din dito na mattifying a high coverage long wear foundation, goes lightweight and super natural. So sinasabi nila na super lightweight daw to, which I can attest na super lightweight. Parang wala ka lang nilagay sa mukha mo. And super, para lang yung natural face ko, ganon. Magic, nabe-blur na yung blemishes ko in just one coat. Konti-konti, pea-size lang yung nilagay ko, pero ito na yung resulta niya. So, I bet, hopefully, so far, 10 out of 10 sa coverage and ano niya. Ang longevity, hindi ko pa matest kasi maglalakad-lakad pa ako the whole day. Tingnan natin when siya mag-oil up sa ating face. So, see you on our update. By the way, guys, pakita ko sa inyo, katatapos ko lang, it's 8:52, naging 1 hour. 1 hour yung ano ko, guys, kasi naman, daldal ako ng daldal. Merong maraming mga tao dito. So, right now, it's, 8:53 a.m. Okay. So, mag-a-update ako mga after 4 hours kung ano na yung, ano ng mukha ko, no, status. So, bye-bye for now. See you soon. Sarang he. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and hope you learned something. And if mag-request kayo na gamitan ko ng flat kabuki brush, I will. Just comment down below. And by the way, guys, sige na nga, i-announce natin load giveaway. So, isasali ko siya sa live natin this coming December 22 kasi mayroon tayong ongoing giveaway which I will be giving away 6 shades of lip and cheek tint of Beauty Gracie Cosmetics. And plus, mag-a-announce tayo, mag-raffle tayo ng giveaway sa December 22 sa ating live. Okay? So, stay tuned. Either sa FB or sa YouTube ako magla-live. Whichever is convenient. If nasa labas ako, maybe I will go for FB live. And if nandito ako sa bahay kasi malakas-lakas yung internet, I will go for YouTube live. So, hope you're going to join. Simple lang naman ang mechanics. Go to subscribe to this channel and meron akong additional for this load giveaway. Meron akong additional na channel na ipasa-subscribe nyo. Shout out to CJ Vman's vlog. I will be placing the link on the description box. We will be collaborating in this load giveaway. Okay, so just click the link on the description box and it will redirect you to her channel. Please do subscribe to her. She do an amazing travel videos and see you soon. Bye-bye. Sarang he. Init. Grabe, we just arrived, guys. And as you can see, hindi ganong oily yung face ko, but then it looks super smooth. Ang ganda niya sa camera. Ganda rin siya dito. Meron lang mga natanggal na foundation dito na bandage because of my mask. Talagang banda. Ito. Na nagasgas kasi yung mask ko ba, ano siya, parang super hard. Every time siyang nag-rub. It's already 1:29. So, 8:30 or 8 ko ito in-apply. 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. 5 hours and a half. 5 hours and a half. And ito siya. Hindi ako ano siya, guys, hindi siya, meron siyang oil dito. If makikita nyo, para siyang glowy, na oily, but then glowy lang siya, guys. And then, ito dito lang talaga super oily. And so far, okay pa naman yung mukha ko. Sunkiss ka, besh. So far, hindi ako magre-retouch. Magbablot lang ako ng oil dito. And I'll be back for my updates. So I just arrived home, guys. Grabe. No retouch. And we're going to see reveal. Grabe, namumula. Ito, guys, namumula to lipstick to, guys. Kasi nagaganon niya yung ano ko ba. Nararab tong part na to, ganon. Kaya natatanggal dito. So far, super fresh. Super fresh pa ba? Super oily na yung face ko. And ito yung ano. Ang dami kong silver dash. Galing kami ng party. Amazing. And it's already 10:28. Last update ko is 1:30. 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 5:30, 6:30, 7:30, 8:30, 9:30. So it's already 9 hours. 15 hours ang foundation na nasa face ko. So far, it's still intact. Naging oily lang ako. Hindi naman nabawasan yung dito. Dito na banda, nag-oil up. And dito lang talaga na wala. Nakikita na yung mga ano ko, mga malas. And that's it, guys, for today. For my final review, when it comes to longevity, naglalast naman siya sa oily face ko. So 5 hours, nag-oil up na ako. Mostly sa mga nire-review ko, 3 hours, nag-oil up na ako. But this foundation does it all. Mga 5 hours, nag-oil up lang ako dito sa banda. The more na nagsistay siya sa aking skin, the more siyang gumaganda yung absorb niya sa skin ko, and the more siyang naging skin-like. And so far, meron pa namang coverage after 15 hours na. And maglalast pa talaga ito ng matagal. And ang dito lang talaga natatanggal. And wala akong nakikitang yun bang nagsisettle sa mga fine lines. So far, para na talaga siyang skin-like, and I super love it. I totally recommend this one. It's 550, and right now it's on sale for 350 pesos, less 200. So when it comes to coverage, it's so good. Longevity, wala namang talagang 24 hours na nagpa-foundation kasi mag-breakout kayo. But if magpa-party goer kayo, and then you have oily skin, nagtatagal siya, all you need to do is to blotting paper or tissue, and you're good to go. Hindi na ako nag-powder. Wala talaga akong retouch, guys, ever since. Wala. Ang retouch ko lang yung lipstick ko kasi natatanggal siya sa ko, guys, sa mask. So I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon in my next video. Bye-bye for now. Mwah! Sarang Merry Christmas! And don't forget to tune in with our load giveaway. Magla-live tayo. Just comment down below para kayo makasali, and check the mechanics, and message me, send screenshot on my FB page to validate your entry. Okay? Click the notification bell, subscribe, and please stay tuned. So mechanics link down below, okay? Bye-bye for now. See you soon.